Hello there and welcome to another tutorial, and in this video I will be going over how to cancel a Super Duolingo subscription in 2024. And if that sounds about right, then let's head right in. Alright, so the first thing you'd want to do is to of course register for an account, and you do need a premium account or a premium subscription, or the Duolingo subscription to be precise. And well, if you don't have a subscription, we will be going over how to do that right now, and then we'll talk about how to of course cancel a subscription. So if you're on a web version or a desktop version of the application, the process will be the same whether you're on an Android device or an iOS device. It really doesn't matter. All you have to do when logged in is to look for this heart shape right here, probably click on it or hover on it. Well, if you're on an Android, you would need to click on it, so this is exactly what you're looking for here. And as you can see, I'm on a free trial, so all I have to do is click on this right here, unlimited hearts, and it will take you to this page. And yeah, well, you can try for free, but just click on where it says try for 0.00 and your currency, and just click on it right there, and it will take you to another page where you will be able to start your free 14-day trial. Click on it, and well, just keep clicking until you find the page where it tells you to choose a plan. And of course, this plan will start after your 14-day free trial. So there is the 12 months family plan, and of course the 12 months plan itself. The difference between the family plan and the monthly plan, the 12 months plan, is that you can share this with between 2 to 6 people. Now, if this is something you're looking for, then you can go for it, but of course there are other plans. There is another plan, and that's the 1 month plan, which you can equally go for. So if this is something you're just trying out for the first time, I would recommend this. I really would recommend this, but either way, you can choose whichever of these best suits your taste. Now, when you're done with that, all you have to do is click on start my free day trial right here, and it will take you to the page where you would need to fill your billing information. So it will ask you for card details. You can input this right here, and of course your expiration date and CVV, and of course the country you're from. So you can fill all of these, and you can click on start my free day trial. The process is indeed seamless. So that is how to of course register for a Super Duolingo account or subscription, whichever way you choose to look at it. Alright, so now that we're done with that, let's head on and see how we can of course cancel a Super Duolingo account. Now, to do this, I will visit an article on support.duolingo.com, and this is an article that of course outlines the process as to how you can cancel your Super Duolingo subscription, and it states the steps necessary to do so, whether you're on an Android device, an iOS device, or of course you're a web user like myself. The steps are here. So first of all, if you're on an Android device, what you do need to do is to tap Super Duo icon, or tap the Super Duo icon, and of course tap settings at the top right corner. And then you will be sent to a page where you can manage your subscriptions. And when you get to the page, all you have to do is scroll down, and you will find where it says cancel subscription, and then you can of course click on it and proceed to confirm cancellation via Google Play Store. And that's it for Android devices. If you're on an iOS device, you can go further down below and of course find the steps necessary to do so on your device. It's really an easier process than actually subscribing. So if you were able to subscribe for a Super Duolingo subscription, then this process shouldn't be that much of a big deal to you. This is of course how to do it, and it equally states how to do so for a desktop or web version. And if you're a web user like me or a desktop user like me, this is of course a step you can go, and as you can see, it's even easier than those for iOS and Android users. So yeah, that's really it. All right people, and there you have it. So if this video did help you, if it did give you a little insight on how to cancel your Super Duolingo subscription in 2024, do well to give this video a like, and of course subscribe to the channel for more updates and tutorials. I'll see you in another video.